Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
During the Dragon Boat Festival, the Hakka people not only make zhongzhi but also banzhong. The Hakka banzhong has a very chewy texture. To make banzhong, you must first grind rice. Make it into round sticky balls before putting in the stuffing and steaming it. After the rice is ground into ban, it's easier to preserve than rice, a clever Hakka invention.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this month here in Taiwan, there's a huge festival. Abroad they call it Dragon Boat Festival. 在国外呢都叫做划龙舟节啦。
这个我知道，我们客家人叫做五月节啦。
对你们是用5月来称这个端午节就对了。Okay, it's Dragon Boat Festival. The Hakka actually used the month as the title of this festival. It's like the May festival, that's what I call it, but it's 端午节嘛，所以再讲一次是
五月节。
And of course, what you gotta eat during 五月节 is 粽子。粽子是绝对一定要吃到的一个美食。
那当然咯，粽子是重点，而且我们的粽子客家话叫做鹹粽，是咸的粽子。
鹹是咸 salty, OK.
还有另外一种，我们叫做拌粽，这是客家人才有的
还有另外一种所以鹹粽是我们平常吃的肉粽就对了。
对。
但是板粽
它是兼具了板的那种 QQ 的感觉
就像
一般的粽子是用米做的嘛，米去炒的米去蒸过煮过之类，它那个还是有米饭的感觉，但板粽就不一样的，就有点像菜包一样。
因为客家人喜欢吃板条嘛。
对啦，
对不对？
可以这样说啦，
是用那样子的那个材料这样子的，
就把米给磨碎了之后弄成像米浆，然后再去包那个料。
I have never tried this before. Maybe this year I should try this. 因为住在台湾这么多年了，没有吃过板粽。今年既然你介绍，我今年应该去吃一下好了。
那你是要我带给你吃吗？
Yeah, please do.
那我就只好回去求我妈，请她做点板粽给你了。
So this is a different type of rice dumpling, okay? By the Hakka people, they actually grind the rice first and then they go steam it, and so the texture is a little bit more chewy and it's very delicious. And I'm going to try this year. It's very specific for the Hakka people. Let's review these terms again. 五月节 or 端午节, that's the Dragon Boat Festival.
五月节
And then the rice dumpling, the traditional rice dumpling, 也就是普通的这个肉粽或米粽。
鹹粽
And finally, for the Hakka people, they have something called 板粽. It's a very special type of rice dumpling.
板粽
And there you go. Don't eat too many rice dumplings though. And that does it for today's Let's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
案子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.